Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use Workday. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Workday is cloud-based software used by organizations for managing human resources, finance, and planning functions. So you need to use your Workday depending on your role as an employee, manager, or etc. So this is the Workday. This will help you module your company's all the data and finances. You need to simply get a general guide to use it. You need to simply log in into your Workday. You need to go to your organization's Workday login URL, enter your credentials, use your MFA if prompted. And after this, you need to view or edit personal information, download payslips. You can also request time off and track time worked. So you can also access to different kind of in-app benefits and apply for internal jobs with the help of Workday. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.